G'day, it's Ash from Jetmaster Heat Glo here, and today we're going to do a product walkthrough of the Heat Glo i30x. So the i30x is our insert model Heat Glo fireplace, so it's designed to go where there is an existing fireplace at the moment, and it's a great product to be able to fill that hole where you've got an old drafty open wood fireplace, or if you've got an old gas unit in there at the moment that you want to replace with something a little bit more realistic and a little bit more modern. The great features of the i30x is that it's a balanced flue fireplace like all Heat Glo products. And what that means is that this unit uses two flexible 70mm flues to be able to go up your fireplace, and it gives you the ability to be able to bring in oxygen from outside to the fire and exhaust out the other flue. And what that means is that the unit is completely room sealed and it doesn't take any oxygen from the room. So it's a completely safe product to be able to use at the same time. And that technology has actually been invented by Heat Glo. The other great feature is that not only does it look great, but it's also a very powerful heating unit as well. This particular unit is designed to heat around 8 to 10 building squares. So it's going to be able to comfortably take control of a very large living area and other sections of the house at the same time. And to go with that heating capacity, it's also quite efficient as well. So using only 30 megajoules of gas per hour to be able to operate, running at 72% steady state efficiency. And that's all due to the fact that this is a room sealed balanced flue gas appliance. So great look and great heat, and fantastic efficiency. The i30x is also the first unit that we have that has what we call flush half technology. So the unit itself, you'll notice, goes all the way to the ground without any doors or anything underneath the unit. That gives you a really large glass viewing area on the product and gives you the ability to be able to see those great flames and logs that are inside there. The logs themselves are all hand painted at factory by Heat Glo, so each unit has its own individual characteristics, but it also gives you a great realism as well. The other great features of Heat Glo units is that it does have that great ember bed underneath there as well. So it gives you this really great realistic looking ember bed, and that also just adds to the visual realistics of the fire itself. This particular unit that we've got here does have the Stratford brick liners inside it, and that's set off too by the accent lighting that's at the rear of the unit as well. The other lighting features that we have on the unit is the fade resistant black glass, and also to the greyish brick that goes inside the unit as well. The unit's controlled by what we call the RC300 remote control, and the RC300 remote control will turn the fire on and off obviously, but also too it'll be able to adjust your flame settings to 5 levels and your fan to 3 levels as well. But the other great thing about Heat Glo units is that you can actually turn that fan off and run the unit without a fan at all, so you can have nice quiet heat with just the fire going into the background, just some really nice radiant heat coming off the unit. The other great feature of the RC300 remote control is that it's also a thermostat as well. So that means you can dial in a temperature into the remote control and then have this remote control anywhere within 10 metres of the fireplace, and it's going to be able to talk to the fireplace and adjust temperature to be able to suit. Being a radio frequency remote control means that it doesn't need line of sight either, so you can have that on the coffee table or around the corner, and it's still going to be able to talk and adjust to that temperature that is required. So being a unit which is designed to go into an existing fireplace, it does have a tapered back on the box, so it's designed to be able to fit into where there is an existing fireplace with a roll back in there. And then, as mentioned before, just those flexible flues to be able to go down the chimney. So if you do have a fireplace at this point in time that doesn't draw correctly or has a smoking issue, we're basically totally bypassing that by introducing a whole new flue system to the fire itself. So this unit here we've got set up with the fire screen front on it. The other options that we have as well is the DF front, which sits on the front of the unit. Different types of trims around the outside, so the standard DF surround. We also can do the marble trim around the outside, as well as customised trims as well. So if you have a fireplace which is a unique size, we can custom make those trims here in Australia to be able to suit your application and what you need there as well. So even though the unit is designed to go into an existing fireplace, the look is so popular that we have actually developed a zero clearance casing to go around the outside of this unit as well, and that gives you the ability to be able to install this fireplace into a timber frame if you wanted to as well. So it's a great flexibility to be installed there. We've also got a freestanding version of this unit as well, which again just gives you more adaptability in regards to how you can install the unit. So that's it, that's our Heat Glo i30x. Great product to be able to, if you're renovating at this point in time, just want to revamp, but also to a great heater and a great looking fireplace. More information on the i30x, go to jetmastervic.com.au, give us a call or shoot us a message. Thanks a lot.